Oh yeah, I remember you. You had better weed than I think. I think. I think you had a strand that I've never smoked before. And I've been smoking for about 40 years now. Yeah. 40 years ago, I started smoking pot. Oh, appreciate that. How did you get in here as a child? You gotta be over 18. Well, this live is about to get a strike. You know what's crazy I am? I can't go to nobody's channel. Like, I know so very little about this live stuff. Appreciate that. Don't be sorry, Unique. You saved my channel from going down. A kid can't be on there as I'm smoking. Dang. And I have my restrictions to 18. How did that happen? I can't on my phone. I can't set this to subscribers only. I can't do none of that. That's why I hate this. And I'm usually on my laptop. Because honestly, Pops won't even talk unless I have. Honestly, Pops won't even say anything in here unless I have subscribers only on. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. See, I can't do none of that on my phone. Hell, I didn't even know you could do that. Pops, you could have been, Pops and Sparky could have been doing that the whole time, and now we don't even know how to do it. Yeah, I see it now, but yeah, I know about subscribers only. I had to spend like 3.5 hours on YouTube Studio figuring it out, but I can't, once I go live on my phone, I can't change it to subscribers only. Like this is actually in the short view form of live. Yeah, because Pops won't even speak unless it's in subscribers only. Because I've had some people from another channel come on here and say very degrading stuff about Pops that are not true. And so I've been doing a lot more research about this live. And Unique, honestly, I'm going to be honest with you, girl. I did not make this channel to have to worry about stuff like that. I like these lives because I don't have to physically interact with anybody. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I gotta work on when you can schedule your lives, but I haven't figured that out yet. Like I said, but now I got you, man. I don't even know what that fucking means. Regular view. See, I can't change. Oh, I know how to start a poll. What is this? Oh, I don't even know what that is. Oh shit.